Hey folks, Bob here. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I'm at the Greensboro Racers Expo and Car Show at the Coliseum. And we're looking at a beautiful Torino Cobra. Check that out, folks. And it's orange. Got the blackout hood and shaker. Look at this thing, won't you? Man. Oh. And then we got a 4-speed. Lord have mercy. Man, I'll tell you what. This is beautiful. I'm going to show you something right up here on the deck lid here, guys. Look at that. Ain't that something? And the louvers. Yeah, it's hard. Let's see what we got right. 1970. $4,434. That was a lot of money. $429. That was a lot of money back in those days, guys. A lot of car, but a lot of money. And this is where I'm at right here. Thank those guys for putting this show on. Man, I'll tell you what. All right, folks, we're going to see what else we can come up with.